Alright guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to your Bitcoin update. As you can see, I'm in the box of shame, meaning I'm on vacation. Just going to do a quick overlook of Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum and see what's going on. If you guys watched my last video, we talked about these two possibilities here. Let's look at this. We're looking at this as a possible falling broadening wedge with a breakout target of that 72,000 area, but we were also talking about this rising channel here in white, and if we broke down where we would go from there. When I made the video, I was looking around the 56,000, but obviously it took a little bit longer to break out of there. Let's take a look at our measured move now. So if we take a measured move of that channel to where we're at, gets us down to around the 48.5. Also, if you look at this trend line here, off of these wicks all the way down, that would put us to about May 12th to hit the 48,500 range. We do have another target in here, looking at this as a bear flag, and let's take a look at that. We'll measure the flagpole here, go down. If we are to break down here, it's going to be around that 50,000 to 50,100 area. If we are able to break back above this 200 EMA here, which is around the 56,300, and get support, then we could come back up to retest the bottom of this channel here. But if we look at the EMAs, as you guys know, I'm a big fan of EMAs. I'll leave a tutorial on how to use the EMAs and some other tutorials up top. But as you can see, our 21 seems to be ready in the 4 hour here to cross the 55 EMA. Usually when that happens, that's a good time to short. It doesn't mean it can't come back up to retest this area, but once he's crossed, that's usually pretty bearish for Bitcoin. But another thing we got to watch for is this 55 EMA. When it gets down to this 200 EMAs, a lot of times it will bounce off of that, but if it does cross, it's going to get pretty ugly. Very ugly. But we'll take a look at a couple more things. First, I want to show you guys Prime XBT. If you guys are interested in trading where you can make money whether the market's going up or down, definitely check out my tutorial up top. It teaches you how to use the margin and to use copy trading. You can copy other traders, things like that in there. You can trade crypto, forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, all kinds of different stuff on this one exchange. And by using my promo code SAVY50, that will get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin. So if you put in 1 Bitcoin, you get a half a Bitcoin bonus. And Savvy25 will get you 25% off of your trading fees. They also do have some staking stuff on there too now. It is coming, I think, this quarter or next quarter. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. I also have other trading links down below. BYBIT is giving a $1,610 bonus. Like I said, there's links down below. Definitely check them out, especially if you're interested in trading. There's also some 401k stuff down there for using crypto. But this is our chart that I've been watching. We made a video on it back here on the 17th before anybody was talking about the wick off distribution. And also we had our pi cycle top here. But 58.5, we've been talking about this on this channel forever. That is extremely important. And unless we can open and close a daily above that, which we have not been able to, it's most likely bearish. We also have this trend line here, and we've talked about this being a possible, this could be a bullish rounded top and get a bounce. If we bounce off this 50,000 to 50,100 range, this trend line right here, if we get a nice bounce there, we could go to a new all-time high. If we break this, chances are we come down to these lower levels on the wick off chart. If we break this 42.8, we're definitely going down into the mid to lower 30s. Let's take a look at, this is the parabolic arc here. We have broken it. I talked about it in my last video. If we zoom in here, really what's going on, if this continues down, our next support here is going to be around the $41,000 to $42,000 range, which is the 200 EMA. We have broken this. If this line is correct, that could be very bearish for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin, the first time we broke this trend line was over here. That gets us a target of around the 486 range. But if you notice, we have broken back down below this trend line, which is around the 366 level. But if you look here, we're making higher or lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price action as bearish divergence. This could be played out here. Keep an eye on this $367 level. If we can break back above that and get support, then we're probably headed up to the 486 range. Otherwise, if we keep continuing down from here, can't get above that level. 200 EMA lies around the $287 range. Ethereum, we have broken out of our rising broadening wedge in Ethereum. And if we look here, we are doing the same thing here. We're making bearish divergence, higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI. But if we can maintain support above this 3,528 range, we could still be heading to our target of 46.42, which is just a measured move of breaking out of this wedge here. But by looking at the RSI, we're most likely going to come back down and at least retest this 35.28 range. If we do break that, our next line of support is going to be around the $3,000 range, which is a 200 EMA. Keep an eye on that. Thanks again, guys. Sorry the video is so short. Like I said, I'm on vacation, wanted to get something out there. Check out my wife's webpage if you enjoyed the channel, inkyyourimage.com. A lot of cool stuff down there. There's a link down below. She's got a crypto section. She can put anything you want on any of this stuff. Definitely worth checking out. It's quality stuff, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to click CRYPTOSAVY logo above my head to get you subscribed to the channel. Smash that like and leave your comment below to get you entered to win a free Ledger Nano S. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out.